Well, good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Monday morning. Let's see, it's the 8th day of January. Man, this month is flying by. The 8th day of January 2024. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the home weather office. And as I look out the window of the home weather office, starting to get some clouds. It was a little sunnier earlier. We're going to see more clouds kind of filter into the area today, but nothing in the way of rain or snow. But I do want to lay out for you the chances of rain and snow we are going to see this week, because we are going to see some systems go by the area, bringing us some rain and snow. Right now, none of them look all that big, but they will impact travel over the Sierra. But for the valley, we'll see likely modest amounts of rain with a chance of maybe something better later on this week. All right, let's get to what's happening this morning. Here are those high, thin clouds kind of filtering in from the north. And I'll tell you that this is the worst case scenario for temperatures, because we had a clear sky overnight. Temperatures dropped down into the mid 30s again, low 30s in some spots. And now we have, just as the sun's coming up, we have clouds coming in to block the sun. So that means we're not going to get much warming today. Temperatures in the valley will likely struggle to get to 50 degrees, and it'll be cooler in the foothills. So just a cool winter day today, but it will be dry. So let's get into when we will see some rain. I'm going to show you the NAM here. The NAM's been pretty good pretty consistent, I should say. Whether or not it's good or not, we'll see when things happen. So this is going through the day today. You can see anything in the way of precipitation's way off to our north, leaving our area dry. So let's get into the day on Tuesday. Very weak system goes by on Tuesday. This is Tuesday around the middle part of the day. Getting some light snow in the Sierra with a snow level around 4,000 feet and just a couple of sprinkles going through the valley and the lower foothills. We're talking about maybe a few 1/100ths of an inch of rain. And then for the Sierra, a couple of inches of snow. Maybe just enough for chain controls, but that's on Tuesday afternoon. So as I go through that again, that's midday, that's the afternoon, and then that's sunset. There's a slightly better wave that's going to drop again in from the north on Wednesday. I'll stop it here at 7 a.m. right here. This is 7 a.m. on Wednesday. Snow in the Sierra. Once again, probably not much rain for the valley, some rain on the coast range. But this one is once again going to bring snow down to, let's say, roughly 3,500 to 4,000 feet. But in the higher Sierra, this one will bring more like, 6 to 8 inches of snow, maybe even 10 at the resorts. So this one will definitely impact travel through the Sierra. So between Tuesday and Wednesday, it's Wednesday that you'll really get slowed down going through the Sierra. Not as nasty as what we saw back on Saturday, but still it's kind of similar because it's dropping down from the north. It doesn't have a lot of water with it, but it's cold, and we will see snow on Wednesday. There will be chain controls up throughout much of the day Wednesday, with clearing during the day Thursday. This is Thursday. Let me go back to Thursday morning. That's Thursday morning. That's Thursday afternoon. So Thursday should be a pretty good day. Let's get into the GFS, and this will also show, I'm going to show the Wednesday system passing by. This one also shows Thursday being dry, and also Friday being dry. This is Friday night. Activity off to our north, but right now, as it looks, Thursday, Friday will both be pretty good days. Now for Saturday, this is the way the GFS shows it on Saturday afternoon. Some rain in the valley, snow in the Sierra. Some of the runs of the GFS have been stronger with this one, and the European model, which I'm not going to show you here, has also occasionally been stronger with this one. So this is just the latest run. I'll tell you, the other thing is sometimes the GFS has left this completely dry. So there's a little bit of uncertainty about Saturday. We're going to leave in rain and snow for the forecast on Saturday, but just know that over the next couple of days, there's potential for the one on Saturday to get a little bit wetter. It would also be a little bit warmer too. So while on Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll see snow at 3,500 or 4,000 or something like that, light amounts. On Saturday, it might go up to 5,000 or 6,000 feet, but still, with chain controls. But like I said, the Saturday one has more variability to it at this point. But as the models dial that in over the next 5 or 6 days, we'll see how that goes. And right now, Sunday looks like it would be another dry day. So that's kind of laying out the week for you. It's going to be a somewhat active week, but nothing really big, nothing really stormy on the horizon. And for the valley, between now and Saturday, the valley might see a quarter of an inch of rain. So it's really not going to be all that wet for the valley. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. let's see, it's Monday. I'll be in the studio tonight at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11 to lay this out for you and kind of dial things in a little bit more. And in the meantime, make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.